My name is Jordan Holt. I'm an IA at the Rice School, and this is actually my first year.
My name's Miss Kay. I'm the music therapist at the Rice School.
My name is Lauren Hansen. I am one of the lead instructional assistants at the Rice School.
I'm Sherry Rumley, and I am the founder of the Rice School. And this is Jack Rumley, and he's actually the real reason why we have the Rice School.
I love all of the teamwork and all of the love that we give to one another as the staff and also the children.
I love that the Rice School is an all-inclusive early education center. We don't see a disability at the Rice School, we see the child. And we believe that all children deserve to shine.
Full inclusion preschool, which means 50% of the classes have children with disabilities and 50% of the kids have no disability. So we thought this was perfect. This is exactly what we wanted for our Jack. So we opened it up when he was 18 months old. The first fundraiser we had was a walk. That's when we first introduced what we were going to do here. And we started with one classroom, and slowly over the years we've become what's considered a full Rice School, and now we have 5 classrooms full.
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
Our hello song and goodbye song that they do every day, and they all sing together, it just warms my heart.
All I know, somehow we'll see this through. Every second that it takes.
I think we're just all so grateful for what it does for our kids and what it does for our community.
On to something good. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going.